So just set off on day 3, just got a taxi to the start of this trail. It's a nice flat couple of kilometers to start with, get to a cafe, and then the horrific ascent begins of like 4 kilometers straight upstairs to the summit of Pico Ruivo. I'm having a great time, it's great. Surprisingly feeling okay today. Like yesterday my hips and my shoulders were so bruised and so sore. They actually feel okay today. My legs feel okay, my feet feel okay. I'm slightly nervous. I'm like, is it just delayed? So let's start day 3. I just got rained on. 2.5 miles in. Just had a lovely couple miles of Levada walks. Just nice, flat, green, peaceful. I'm here and we're going all the way along this track up to Ruivo. Starting the 4 kilometer ascent, 1,000 meters up to Pico Ruivo, summit of Madeira. Do you know how hard it is to try and not breathe when I'm filming these videos so that you can't just hear my panting in the background? Impossible. I'm done. I don't want to hike anymore. I'm changing hobbies. I'm going to be a luxury travel vlogger or foodie. They all sound nice. Why did I have to pick hiking? Help. A little bit wet. Probably should have put my waterproofs on. That was too hot. Oh, it's going in my eye. I think I'm gonna put my cap on so I can see. Okay, I think we're halfway up. So I'm just gonna power on now and then I can get to my warm, comfy, heated, cozy refuge. I am joking, it has no electric. Having a little struggle moment. Cold and I'm tired and I'm struggling with motivation a little bit right now. I feel like I've still got so far to go. Okay, I've got a bit of motivation back because I can see the refuge. You probably can't see it on here. Let me see if I can zoom in. A little white hut right in the middle of the mountain. It looks far. At least I can see it. It's just giving me that little boost that I needed. This is so high. Jesus Christ. I'm so done. I'm so done. Oh my God, I can see it. It's right there. Oh my God, I'm so close. This is amazing. I was just looking all the way over there. I was like, oh my God, I must have to go all the way. And then I saw it. Ah! I'm at 5,696 foot of elevation right now, which I think is about 1,800 meters. And I've just got to get there. I made it. There's no one to hug or high five. My legs are shaking. This is my room. Oh. So just had, just got a warm herbal tea. Literally got changed, got everything, all my wet stuff off. I've got all my layers on because there's not any electric here, so it's quite cold. I'm sharing with 3 other girls who are also doing this week solo. So I think I mentioned it's a self-guided hiking trip, so multiple people book onto the same week. We've got some food being cooked for us tonight by the refuge owners. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting night. It's going to be cold, but it's part of the adventure. I don't know, is it primal or primitive? I don't know if that's the right word for it, but times like this really make you appreciate warmth and dry clothes and food and a nice bed and a hot shower. So I like moments like this now and then, because it does really just make you appreciate luxury when you have it, even like the most basic things. Oh, also I didn't tell you what stats I finished on today. So I finished on 7.72 miles, 5 hours 21 minutes, 3,218 foot of ascent. That is a lot. And 1,277 calories, which I've already made back because I've just eaten loads of chocolate. So just had some dinner in the refuge, looked outside, saw all the clouds had cleared, so gonna try and run up a little bit to see sunset. Wow. So I think I just missed sunset. It just clouded over there. These clouds and these views are just amazing. There's a few people up here. There's a few people camping there. Tents right there. Wow. So good night from the top of Madeira, Pico Ruivo. Not bad. Good morning. So I'm up on the summit of Pico Ruivo, which is the highest mountain in Madeira. So officially on the highest point of the whole island, 1,862 meters, 6,106 feet. There's kind of a double summit here. So this one's empty, so it's a bit lower down. That one, as you can see, is very full. So I'll head over there in a minute because the sun is rising on the other side. But yeah, beautiful start to the day. Literally 15 minutes walk up from the mountain refuge. So as much as it was a little bit cold, damp, it was worth it. It was all part of the adventure, and it's worth it to be right up here on the summit in the morning. So yeah, let's see what sunrise is like. Well, I don't think we're getting a good sunrise. Huge cloud is right in front of where the sun is coming up, so we might get some nice colours in the sky, but no sunrise. But this group of like German hikers keep singing on the summit, and it's the cutest thing, so I'm going to show you. But yeah, day 4 today. We're doing 13.5 kilometers, but it's all descent today. 1,380 meters of descent. Thankfully my knees aren't too bad. I don't mind downhills. I know some people hate them. There's like a cafe 8 kilometers in, and then I get to my hotel, which has a hot tub in it, which I'm very excited for. That's the perks of doing a trek like this, where accommodation is included instead of camping. As much as I think there is a time for the wild camping adventures, I'm very much looking forward to having some luxury, especially after a night in a cold mountain refuge. So that's day 4. Let's do it. Changed into shorts because it's sunny down here. Oh, there's a cafe, so I got a mango iced tea. Great shout by me. So this waterproof is OEX. These waterproof trousers, I'm pretty sure they're Rab. Backpack is an Osprey Ren 65. All my kit's from Go Outdoors. I'll link it in the video description, as well as some of the other pieces that I've worn. Beanie is Patagonia. Literally about 1 kilometre or 2 kilometres to my hotel. Yay! Made it. There's my hotel. Stop. Finished on 9.23 miles, 4 hours 50 minutes, only 334 foot of ascent, but 4,448 foot of descent, and 27,000 steps on the dot. 27.0 thousand steps. That's pretty cool. So I ordered a poncha, which is like the typical Madeiran drink. It's rum, lemon and honey, and it's so good. And I'm just sat in the rain drinking poncha. I feel like it's a good end of day 4 celebration drink. Cheers. So it's day 5. I am forcing this smile right now. I'm so tired and I'm really sore again today. Yesterday I didn't feel too sore. Today I'm pretty achy. So this is Porto de Cruz, and today, final hike of the trip, day 5, 15 kilometers. I'm pretty sure it's going to kind of follow the coastline, which should be really beautiful, and a bit of a change of scenery from what I've had so far. So let's go. Day 5, solo hiking through Madeira. Let's do it. This feels like the biggest hill I've ever climbed in my life. So I'm officially halfway. I'm 5 miles in, and I'm now on this really strange, like overgrown forest trail, which just, I didn't feel like it was the right path, but it definitely is. But yeah, it's very it's just dense forest. Oh, and there was a ice cream van here, so I just bought a Calippo. But it made me very happy. I'm 8.6 miles in, so I literally do have like 1 mile left. Yay! I'm so excited to be finished! So close! Home straight, baby! Well, this is technically it. This is me stepping foot off the final trail. Officially done. 10 miles. Yay. My hotel is literally just at the bottom of this road. 50 freaking miles across Madeira. 5 days. Just checked in. Here is my room. I just came in and just went like this. So happy to be done. So I finished on 139,000 steps. I had to reread that. 50.56 miles, 29 hours and 79 minutes of walking, 10,190 foot of ascent, which is 3,106 meters, and 12,344 foot of descent, which is 3,762 meters. Those are all the stats. That's crazy. That's blowing my mind. If you cannot tell, I am so tired. It is 4 p.m. and I am gonna go get some snacks and sleep. A well-deserved rest, I think. It's been an awesome adventure. I've absolutely loved it. Thank you for watching along. I hope I've made it exciting. It's kind of hard to just kind of film the same like walking paths every day, so I hope I've done a good job documenting this fun little adventure. If you're thinking of doing it, highly recommend it. I booked it with Travel Base. They kind of put everything together, thought of everything. It was just really smooth and easy, and felt really good having that peace of mind that there's someone on the end of the phone if anything were to go wrong. It's just been great. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Go check out my kit video as well if you want to see what I packed for this trek, and let's see what the next adventure is. See you next time.